Hey guys, I'm Tatiana from Quirky Tatiana, and today I'm going to be showing you my room tour. Actually, this video was filmed 1 year ago. I filmed this 1 year ago, so here's my room tour from last year. But before we get to the video, y'all should go down below and hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, so you won't want to miss out. Alright, now that that's been said, let's get to the video. So the difference between my room tour is that I will be doing it vlog style. Alright guys, so to start off, I have my bed right here. It's full of a bunch of stuff up here. But here's like just the bedding section. I don't know if y'all can see it from a weird angle that I'm holding it, but there it is. And here I just have my big fat dog. Yeah. And then I have a bunch of pillows for decoration. And then over here I have just a bunch of junk. I have more stuffed animals over there on that corner. But over here I just have random things. And then that's my jewelry box up there. So yeah. FYI, I did not purchase the bed. My dad made it, which is why it has that thing on the back right here. This side. So, just a tip for you. Right here on this side, I have my dresser. Here is just reminders for me. This was from like a week ago. So it's print out syllabus for class, you know, for when the semester was starting. Yeah, and then here's a picture of me when I was younger with my older dog. I don't have her anymore. I have a different dog. I have a different dog now, but I keep that picture there for memories. And then inside, I just have my clothing. Well, not all of my clothing. Because up here I have the shorts. And then right here, I have my joggers, Adidas pants and stuff like that. And then on this side, I just have my pajamas. And then in the bottom, I have jeans. And then further in the bottom, I have leggings and more shorts. Because for some reason, I have like a million shorts. And now we're going to the messy side of my room. And I'm saying messy because I have all of my things for school there. Because I don't have a bookshelf in here. Because in case you haven't noticed, it's an attic. My room is upstairs in an attic. So there's not really a flat wall for me to put a bookshelf. So right here is just completely messy. Well, not completely. I have the book stacked up. So right here, I have paper, you know, printer paper when I need to print stuff out, which is usually every day. And then down here, I have my goggles for lab. And then these are just a bunch of old books that I used last semester. They were for first semester, which is French and Shakespeare, and then all of my notebooks and notes. And then on top, I have just put my Harry Potter book, but on the bottom, I have more notebooks. And there is my chemistry textbook. Guys, if you plan on going to college, oh my god, textbooks are so expensive. That book was a used book, and it cost me $100 for a textbook. The other ones were over 200 bucks, so oh my god. But anyways, continue on to the video. I have my math things here. My homework assignments, my notebook, laptop, calculator. And yeah, so as you can see, the desk isn't clear, but I have all of my college things there, so it's okay. And then over here, I just have a picture frame of all the years, except for senior year, because the picture that they gave me was huge. It was huge. It did not fit in there, so I'm pretty disappointed about that. I still need to scan it and then make it smaller and then print it out so I can put it on there. I graduated like 7 months ago and I still haven't done it. I need to do it, but yeah, that way I can have every picture. But as you can see, I have almost every picture right here. This kindergarten, first grade, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. And then that's my freshman year of high school. my sophomore year, my junior year, and then of course my senior year is missing. It just has a random picture of a girl. The frame came like that and I just left it like that, so I need to add that pretty soon. And finally, right here on this side, I have all of my other clothing, more of my dressy clothing, because in the dresser, I just had like my bottoms and then my t-shirts, like just cotton t-shirts, like those that they give away when you go to the park or something like that. But over here I have my nicer shirts, like, and sweaters, like nice pretty sweaters. So here they are. And then my dresses, which I hardly ever wear, by the way. The only reason I bought dresses was because in high school I would play soccer and the coach wanted us to dress nice. I was pretty disappointed about that, but point is he wanted us to dress nice, so I had to buy dresses. I had to go shopping. Because if we didn't dress up that day, we wouldn't play. We would be benched, which would suck. So yeah, I had to dress up, which is why I have all those dresses, because to be honest, I don't even wear them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys like an updated room tour as this video was filmed last year, then make sure to leave me a comment down below suggesting that. If you guys like to see more of my videos, make sure to click up here. If you guys like to see more hair tutorials, make sure to click down here. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to click the button that's right there. Just go click and you'll be subscribed. Alright, thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all next week. Bye!